sometimes when you're done hanging your cabinets and you put on your doors on your wall cabinets, you will see that these cabinets where we have a high cabinet sitting next to a low cabinet, you will see sometimes there is a difference in the clearance from the door to the cabinet. It's like they are slightly barrel shaped, either going out or going in. This one, we have a very small clearance here and a bigger one here and a bigger one on the top. So it's not something I can adjust. And even though you've been really careful when you hang the rail, that it's horizontal and it's flat and all the cabinets are vertical and square, even though doing all that, you can still have this problem. So here's a quick fix. In this case, we have small clearance here and larger clearings over here. So what we want to do ideally is push the cabinet, this cabinet, a little bit that way. Open the door, and now we have the shelves in. So basically, we want to push this side of this cabinet that way. And we can do that by squeezing in a shim between this shelf and the cabinet wall. Let's try it. So I lift the shelf and I put in my shim, making sure the shelf is sitting where it should be. We want the shim right there. Let's try with just a little bit. This is too much. So I'll turn it around. Thin. This is about, I would say, about 2 millimeters. And then I push down. And now we have a clearance here at the front, which I prefer to having the barrel shape. And let's close the door and see what happened. See, it's not quite there, but it's certainly helping. The cabinet now have moved that way. This cabinet is pushing this way. You can, of course, only do that if you have a cabinet sitting next to this one that way that can push back on that movement, on that force you are applying to this cabinet, right? So now we got the force going this way, and over here, this one came in a bit. So now this is actually looking very good. It's all parallel over here. And over here, I'm happy too. So just like doing this. And now, of course, we can take our utility knife and we can trim back. Just giving a little cut here. And then I do the same on the top. So that's how you do it. Much better.